Hey there guys, Royal, and this is your AVD from Tech Tweak team, and so today we'll be doing the quick review of the Billboard Bluetooth speaker, which I did an unboxing about a few months ago. So this is a full review, so let's get into it. Looking at the top of the Bluetooth speaker, we get nothing. Even on the sides, we are blank with nothing else, only a hole for adding some accessories, which I'll be showing you in just a minute. On the bottom, we get two rubber feet for increasing the friction and the hold. And on the back, we get the model number and a tag. Here we get under this flap, we get the ports like the reset button, the auxiliary input, and the micro SD slot, and as well as the micro USB port for charging up the Bluetooth speaker. Charging up the Bluetooth speaker doesn't take that much time, and it runs on pretty good battery, like 4 to 5 hours. This is the box in which the Bluetooth speaker came, which I did unboxing, so let's do a revisit here. Okay, so that's the box. Let's see what we got inside. So we get the Bluetooth speaker along with some foam kind of material. Under this cardboard piece, we get the micro USB port, cable, and the rope or the thing which is used for hanging up, and instruction manual for other how to use the Bluetooth speaker and other things like that. So let's keep this thing aside and let's get to the big item here. So the material made in this is really good, to say kind of a rubber-like feeling, which is resistant to water, as it says it's a water-resistant Bluetooth speaker. You can take it for a small splash. So you can see all the buttons here. So let's try turning this thing on.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so the thing is on, and now there are other buttons, like the plus button is for volume increasing, the lower button is for volume decreasing, like decreasing the volume, and the other button is for answering or rejecting calls, and also for turning this Bluetooth speaker into a FM radio station. Not stations, it supports, it just turns on in FM. And you can see on the back you get the blue plus red light, the LED light indicating that it's ready for being paired up, so which is a really good sign. And let's close the flap up and let's try listening some music on my tablet here.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Shine your love on me. I'll shine your love. I'll shine your love. Baby, just
So that was the sound quality, which is really good. And yeah, so that's the review of the Bluetooth speaker. If you're really interested, you can go ahead and link in the description to buy it. It's a pretty good it's really good for the value for money, and I've been using this for a couple of months and I'm enjoying it. So thanks guys, hope you really like it. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and do check out my other videos. Do like and comment, and God bless you all. Thank you.